How to fix link direct open on browser, all problems solved. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So let me just show you the problem what you're facing here. If you go to this link here, you can see this link. If you click here, it used to redirect to Chrome browser or any kind of browser instead of opening to directly from apps. So let me just show you. You can see here it's directly opening on Chrome browser. Let me just show you again. Here you can see. So to fix this problem, what you need to do here is that you just need to do one thing. You just need to go to settings on your device. After going to settings, just scroll down and go to apps or install apps or app management. Here you can see, just tap on it, and here you'll get one option that is default apps. Just you need to tap on default apps, and then here you can see this type of interface will be pop up. So here on the bottom you will find one option that is opening links. Simply click on opening links, and here you can see you'll get this type of interface. Now here you have to allow this option, instant apps, open link in apps even if they are not installed. Just you need to enable this, and then here you have to search for that particular application which you want to open directly from the app. So let me just search. This is the application. Now here you can see open supported link. Just you need to enable this. Okay, now done. Just refresh your phone once. After refreshing your phone, just go to the link. Here it is, the link. Let me just click on it. You can see it is directly opening. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.